SumUp's main offices are located in Berlin, in London, in Sofia, in Sao Paulo, and all over the world. We are present now on 4 continents.
Very often, we are traveling because of many team events and off-sites, hackathons. We believe that the magic is in the team. That's why we like to meet each other.
I help the team celebrate and organize a lot of events that come with expenses, and thanks to Navan, I have a partner in managing expenses and the reporting.
Before Navan, SumUp handled travel and expense in a mixed way. A lot of people were expensing out-of-pocket expenses, and it was nightmare, maybe is the word that best describes this process.
If I have to describe the previous solutions that we used, I would say they were time-consuming, layered, and non-intuitive. We had one solution for travel, one solution for expenses.
Manual from the employee's perspective, and then hard from finance perspective to control the expenses, also to get proper reporting. But with Navan, everything changed.
This is the first time that we have a consolidated solution for all our needs in those areas.
We were using 3 tools previously. We were able to aggregate them in one. Navan offers us all the travel expenses and reporting features that we had in the previous tools, but in one place.
We have visibility, the dashboards are really clear.
We've seen impact because now people are actually using the service. For instance, we've seen 23% increase in the adoption rate, which means that people are actually enjoying the solution.
It makes me feel very safe. It's very simple to use. It's super intuitive. It's easy to attach the receipts afterwards. It's super fast in terms of the transaction going through.
I use the physical card, which is always with me, because very often we are paying some things for the office with the card, so it's very practical to have it.
We feel that Navan as a solution for the European market for us was not a difficult choice to make, because you, just like us, are a global business with local impact.
The SumUp Club is when we achieve something. We just celebrate with the SumUp Club.
This is the SumUp Club that everybody's talking about.
We celebrate Navan with the SumUp Club.